Hey guys, what's up? So today we're here checking out this 2020 Honda CR-V Touring. Before we get into it, if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more car related videos. Now let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Real nice. What do you guys think? How does this compare to the RAV4? Comment down below and let me know. Let's go check out these 19-inch wheels. Real nice design. Please go ahead and smash that like button, guys. Helps the channel out a lot. This is the all-wheel drive touring model. It's so windy. Now let's go take a closer look at these headlights. Nice. Very nice. Those are fog lights. Nice style grille. On this touring trim, your turn signal is also integrated into the side mirrors. Alright, let's take a look at this roof line. There goes our sunroof. Here goes our keys. Nice and simple. Now let's go take a look at that interior. Goes our window controls. Very nice and open. Nice soft touch armrests. Take a look at these seats. Love that design. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Nice storage area, cup holders, wireless charging, 2 USB ports. Those are drive controls. Nice screen. Now let's go check out the back. There's your cup holders. Nice trim. There's a whole lot of room back there. Your armrest. So get 2 USB ports back there, AC vents, nice automatic lift gate. No, it looks like that low, but you can adjust it. With this, and push, it goes up as far as you want it to go. There we go. Do get a spare tire and jack. So I'll use these for the seats. There's one over there also. There we go. Slides in there like that. Close it up, just tap, comes right down. Alright, let's go take a look at that 1.5 liter turbocharged engine, 190 horsepower. There's a view from the side. And there goes our steering wheel. All your controls. Let's start it up. Real nice. There's our backup camera, our guided lines, different views of the camera. It's good for your Apple Play and Android Auto. You can set that all up. Here's your climate controls. There's the sunroof. Let me know what you guys think about it. Alright, so for this trim, they want 35,845. I want to say a big thanks to the guys here at Lead Honda Aberdeen for letting me come out here and do videos on their cars. If you're in this area, guys, just stop by and ask for Matt Hansen. He's the sales manager. He'll do his best to help you guys out. There we go. Alright, if you guys enjoyed that video, please go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car reviews. Real nice car, man. Very nice. Definitely come out here and check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.